Hi guys, so I'm gonna be talking about the difference between COVID-19 and Corona, the difference between viruses and bacteria in general, and why scientists have taken this long to invent a vaccine for this virus, the measures I'm thinking you should take on every one of us to take to stay safe. So I'm gonna educate you guys about this disease. So first, the concept of this coronavirus is not new. Like it has been in existence for a long time, even in recent world outbreak. They have this particular name, they call them SARS. So they are a group of viruses that are known to cause respiratory issues. So this new strain we are experiencing right now in this pandemic is known as the novel coronavirus because it has never been seen before. And COVID-19 is the illness caused by this novel coronavirus. COVID-19 can lead to health issues like pneumonia, shortness of breath, fever, common cold, persistent cough. It just whatever you can think of. So talking about virus and bacteria. Viruses are not living organisms, whereas bacteria are. Viruses are only active in host cells. If there's no host cells, they are not active, they don't reproduce. But bacteria, let me just use the word independence for bacteria. Bacteria, they can produce their own energy by themselves and they can reproduce by themselves. Viruses are sub-microscope. What I mean in the essence is that they are very, very tiny and very, very small to be seen under ordinary light or microscope, whereas bacteria are giants compared to virus. Viruses are systemic. When they attack the body, they attack the whole body system. But bacteria are kind of confined to certain parts of the body. So viruses are enveloped and they have this large RNA. If you look at the structure of a coronavirus, you know they have this large RNA and they have the club-like spikes around it. That's why they name it the coronavirus. Talking of the vaccine, according to the World Health Organization, they say creating a vaccine can probably take a year to 18 months. Yeah. And there's no single institution that has the capacity or the facility to develop a vaccine by itself. Even there are more stages to this process than people know. So next is they have to demonstrate if there's a vaccine is safe and can trigger the right immune system without causing any harm to the body. So even the preclinical human testing can take about 3 months and another 8 weeks before the next stage of the trial process. So getting a new vaccine is requires rigorous research and it takes a lot of time. It's time consuming and it can cost a lot of money, like money, yeah, with no guarantee of success. Let me just say the probability of like 50-50. So the measures we should take to keep ourselves safe from this virus is by washing our hands regularly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Wearing the face mask. Everybody should put on their face mask wherever you go. Wiping down any public surface you come in contact with, maybe like the doorknob, the light switch, your tables. When you are in the plane, wipe your plane seats, the plane trays. When you are at work, wipe your workstation. Get enough sleep. Yeah, we should at least get 8 hours of sleep to control stress. So practice social distance. And now I'm going to educate you guys about this virus, especially people who are at high risk. Is if you have an underlying disease, please stay healthy, eat healthy, limit how often you go to the public places, and work from home if you are able to do so. Stay home if you are displaying any kind of symptoms. And this disease is here, so we can't necessarily prevent it, but the steps we take can help to minimize the spread and be a good human, not only for yourself but for others. Thank you for listening and make sure you subscribe to my channel.